Welcome back to Deriv Navigator Academy. So in this video, we're going directly into looking on over 7 strategy. Okay, over 7 is a market that can easily grow your account, and it's a market you should be very careful with when trading. So the first thing first, ensure the market is an absolute over market. What is an absolute over market? An absolute over market is whereby you have the red circle or the red bar at 0 and the green circle or the green bar at 9. That's what we call an absolute over market. Once you have ensured the market is an absolute over market, you will come and analyze the percentages of the numbers above 7, which are 8 and 9. Ensure 8 and 9 are above 12.5%. I repeat, ensure 8 and 9 are above 12.5%. After doing that, you analyze the numbers below 7, including 7 itself. Ensure 7 and all the numbers below it, that is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, are all below 10%. I repeat, ensure 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 are below 10%. Why am I saying this? Because when you're trading over 7, you want the under market to be as weak as possible and the over market to be as strong as possible. So you need to be very careful when trading in this market. Okay, so for those who are confusing the position of the red circle and the green circle, here's an easy method which I repeat in every video. Use the arrow strategy, the arrow method, whereby you assume the head of the arrow is the green circle and the tail of the arrow is the red circle, so that whenever you're trading over, ask yourself, when I'm trading over, I'm throwing my arrow upwards towards the over number. So my green bar or the green circle will be above my red bar, because obviously because when you're throwing your arrow towards 9, 8, 7, the green circle will be the head, which obviously will be in front of the red circle, and vice versa. When trading under, again, you are throwing your arrow towards the under numbers. So the green circle will be below the red circle. I hope you don't get confused in that process. So once you've ensured your market is an absolute market, you've ensured 8 and 9 are above 12.5%, and you have ensured 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 are below 10%. Now you are ready to place your trades. What are the entry points for over 7? So in over 7, you wait for the ticker to touch either 4 numbers or 5 numbers, and then you place your trade. A minimum of 4, let's say a minimum of 4 numbers. So whenever you see the ticker has touched the first number, second, third, and you see it is landing on the 4th, you press over when it is on the 4th number. Okay, when you're trading okay, and then if you see it has touched the first, second, third, fourth, and then you see it is on the 5th, you press immediately over when the ticker is on the 5th, and vice versa, and so on. So it can either touch 6 numbers, 4 numbers, 6 numbers, 4 numbers, 5 numbers, or all the numbers below. But ensure you time it correctly, because as I said, in over under, it's all about timing. Poor timing can really mess you up, even if you know a strategy. So when you see the ticker has left the 4th or the 5th number, don't place your trade. Just wait for the ticker to continue moving and wait for it to come back, and then you can try again. So that is basically over 7. I repeat, over 7 is a very, very risky market. It has a more than 85% chance of failure, or 85% chance of losing your stake, but it has a 15% chance of exponentially growing your account. So you should be very, very careful when trading over 7. Okay, I hope guys have not confused you. This is a method that is very okay. If you need to look at under 7, the video is already posted. Just go and check it out and review it. Okay, thank you guys for watching. If you need any assistance, or just hit me up. My number is in my WhatsApp. If you need more than 20 bots and more than 50 documents containing various strategy at a very, very affordable price, hit me up. We can work something out. Even if you need one-on-one sessions, guidance, and mentorship, just hit me up and we'll discuss. Okay, this channel is about helping small and beginner traders grow into independent and successful traders. So guys, please subscribe so that we continue pushing, so that we continue growing. And yeah, I'll appreciate your support very much. Thank you guys for watching, and good luck.